seo thugah mar rogha den coffee is costasí, is crothaíoch, agus is éagsúil a tar fáil. Arrive on Manish got third floor espresso not 3FE a hussy a mac and shaw sa Grand Canal dock ta an brandishin 3FE anish file furlahan fog na tira shot ac darnoi ní féidir le copon nís jesha 3FE aisle ná tar file and shot in a hashguhus.
Sé an chéad at eile atá ar mar liste ná legit cafe beag bídeach the Liberties in Bhaile Átha Cliath. It's the place where hipster meets Howie, agus ní churann sé inú orm go gapan neart Dubliners go bhfuil an cupán coffee is deis a canter fine and shaw.
How you doing, guys? Fortune is done and done. Kemelton.
What's so special about the coffee here?
Loads of characters, passing by, who's living compared to businesses over here. I think they're missing the good cup of coffee because there's a few coffee places around but not that good as us.
A céir faoin tír agus faoin teanga, seo thugah Ciarr McGargasa agus mór sin.
Janan tú the hush coffee see? Initially so fishin.
Well, Snasta Blasta an tanam to air agus is chocolate agus cafe agus an lipade or fat janta trigwege. So near focal barrel air agus the Sherard Kaidan agus tá sé agan a roin shiopi agus Erlín in fresh.
Tinneart Mali a fecha agus a ceistín mar sin de cacha yantar na pónaí fearr dús bar.
Gentre, well, Tom should Napoleon eat hangs is on resilient. Be me play le drama gundin na me agus sees on the end on pack off show agus cross machine.
In your arms, I can feel it burn.
Thank you too. Good kinda uchter bar.
Yeah.
So le pianta Guinness.
Hey, Jeer costa pianta Guinness. Sláinte.
Darnoi ní féidir Lord Bhaile Átha Cliath agus coffee gan an act starú seo a lú seo an coffee kiosk. An drachur tá sé dúnta inis ac an utamain seo in las sníon chun a lower leis an únior Brian le fáile mac Gíreach céir a tarsú le inis. Brian Kenny, when I think of coffee in Dublin, the first thing I think of is the kiosk in Ballsbridge. 4 years you were there, tell us what that was like.
I started with a coffee machine and some cups in my sitting room at home. Didn't really know what to expect and then spent almost 5 years every day serving coffee to people in the locality.
So where did this love of coffee come from?
I actually saw one of these machines you can see behind us being designed and it was actually the design of the machine and the roasting process that I actually fell in love with, and working in a roastery, roasting coffee, that side of it. I think everybody in coffee wants to make their own cup of coffee and give it or sell it to somebody. We all think we produce the best cup of coffee, or else we shouldn't be doing it, you know. And anybody's dream, I think, that people are really passionate in the coffee industry is like, I want to produce my own coffee. So that's where it came from. I wanted to serve my own coffee.